Insurance is not a modern industry, with a number of the companies having been around for a number of years. As new companies have entered the market and as technology has advanced, these companies have been forced to look at themselves, their business models, their systems and processes with an aim to modernize. Modernization is really what's required to unlock the power of digitalization and intelligent process automation. Together with this, the changing demands of consumers have forced these insurers to look at this. With modernization always comes the opportunity of optimizing. In optimizing the business, one should be careful not to do this just from the boardroom, but really to look at what the consumer is saying and what the people within the business are doing, to use that as a basis for optimization. When approaching a modernization project, often the approach of going in and trying to replace everything at once is a risk that is just too big to take for any insurer. But if you start with one product, use that as a basis to modernize, and then from there evolve into the rest of the business, it can be far more effective. Insurers that get this right will unlock the value of increased policyholder experience, better sales, better retention, as well as unlocking operational efficiencies and higher compliance with risks and regulations.